Hello, thank you for watching my video. My name is Nate, but I mainly go by Kuma Crochets. Hopefully I can share what I've learned about crocheting amigurumis to help you with your plush projects. If you enjoy free patterns or crochet content, please check out my website in the description below. My website has all my socials from Instagram, Twitter, and Discord to stay updated. I'll also be linking all the tools and materials that I use for my projects, which are also in the description, from yarn, hooks, and accessories. Let's get to it. I'm going to teach you how to do a single crochet. I have a project that I'm currently working on right now, and we're going to see a stitch right here. What you're going to do is put your hook right through the stitch, grab your yarn with your hook over the yarn, and you're going to have 2 loops. What I like to do is line the crochet hook with the project itself so that the tension is correct. And then with that, I'm going to put my hook under the yarn, twist it, and pull straight through both loops. You did a single crochet. So let's try it one more time. Hook into the next stitch, like so. The yarn under. Fix the tension on your project by lining up the hook with the project itself. Grab yarn over and pull through. Hopefully this helps.